We'll guide you through how to make any photo in Photoroom. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want an easy way to create professional-looking images without advanced editing skills. Photoroom offers simple tools for background removal, resizing, and adding elements, making it popular for content creation, online shops, and social media. To begin the tutorial, make sure you have downloaded Photoroom on your device so you can follow each step without any issues. For example, I downloaded it on my Android phone as my main tool for this process. If you have not installed it yet, you can download it from the Play Store, which is guaranteed to be safe and easy to access. Click Photoroom to open the application on your device. At the beginning, you will see 4 main menus, namely Home, AI Tools, Batch, and Content. Open the Content menu, then click Continue with Google so your design will be saved automatically. After signing in, click Home to return to the main page. Then click Start from a photo to begin editing. Once it opens, select the photo you want to use from your gallery. The background removal process will run automatically. Select Skip Background Removal if you do not need it. After that, click Resize to adjust the dimensions. You can choose from the available size options based on your needs. In this example, I will skip this step and keep the original photo size. Next, click Layers to manage the layers in your project. Then click Photo and adjust the size and position as needed. Scroll down from the options, then select Cutout and choose the automatic feature to remove the background. Go back to the main editing menu, then click Insert to add another image. Adjust its size and position to match your design. Next, click Text and choose the text you want to add. Once added, adjust the color to fit your style. If needed, you have the option to modify the background, but for this example, I keep the original without making any changes. You can also apply a shadow to enhance the visual appearance. However, I choose not to use it here because it does not fit well with the overall design. Once everything looks good, click Export to save the final result.